One time there were two friends who were very lazy. They would get the awards of the most laziest persons. All they would do the entire day was sleep. One day their entire house got on fire. But these people were so lazy, they didn't want to even open their eyes to see what was happening. One friend tells the other friend in shortcut, BB. BB means back burning. He was so lazy, he didn't want to even spell the words, pronounce the words properly. The other friend tells him CS, chain sides. So both the friends were so lazy, the entire house got burnt on fire. They didn't even get up. So many times people are so lazy in spiritual life, even though everyone sees that there is so much suffering in this material world. Samsara dava, this material world is blazing with fire. Still, people are lazy to take up spiritual life. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, the spiritual master of Srila Prabhupada, would tell this story to inspire all of us to actually take up spiritual life seriously. We need to understand that spiritual life is an urgency. When Hanumanji was making this jump towards Lanka, the first obstacle that comes on his way is this beautiful mountain called Mainak. It was a golden mountain proposing to Hanumanji to take rest and relax. But Hanumanji focused on his mission and he told this mountain Mainak that I can't rest for some time now because I have an important mission. Can you imagine Hanumanji resting on this mountain when Lord Ram is suffering one side in separation from Sita and Sita is suffering the other side in separation from Ram? Because Hanumanji focused on his mission, he was really crazy about this mission. That's why he could overcome laziness. So all of us in our life also, there is so much inertia that drags us down. The only way we can overcome it is by focusing on a mission, by becoming crazy for a very important mission. And what better mission than the mission to serve the Lord and help mitigate the suffering of people? So when we focus on this mission, we can actually overcome that laziness and actually achieve something really great in life. Thank you.